Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of this month's Printable Junk Journal kit that's now available in the Junk Journal Printables Club. This month's Printable Junk Journal kit is titled So Pretty and has a sewing theme. The kit includes 10 printable papers or junk journal pages and 5 pages of junk journal elements and ephemera. You can use this printable junk journal kit to make your own unique sewing-themed journal or combine it with any of the other kits that are currently available in the club. The printable pages can be used as pages for your junk journals, or they can be used as tear sheets for creating layered collages. To use the printables as pages, simply print them double-sided onto good quality copy paper or cardstock, fold the pages in half, and insert them into your junk journal. I'm using my no-sew junk journal, but you could use the pages with any other type of junk journal. You can also use the page files, together with my digital border templates and overlays, to create quick and easy junk journal pages with decorative borders. These templates can be purchased separately in my online store. The templates are easy to use. You can use the PDF files with your own paper, such as scrapbook paper, or you can use the PNG format files with digital papers in a photo editing program such as Photoshop Elements, which is what I'm using here, or even Canva. You can also stack the templates one on top of each other. As the theme of this junk journal kit is sewing related, I'm using these stitched templates to quickly add some machine stitch decoration around the edges of the pages. Once you've finished designing, save the files in JPEG format and print them out onto copy paper or cardstock. Included in this month's kit, you'll find lots of printable elements and ephemera, including clip art, cards and tags, pockets, and some vintage ephemera. As well as the printable junk journal kit, this month I've also included a junk journal template set that includes 2 small envelopes with pointed flaps. These templates are easy to use, and they help you to create your own junk journal elements in no time at all. The templates include PDF and PNG formats. To use the PDF templates, load your own paper, such as printable paper or scrapbook paper, into your printer, then print the PDF file. In your printer dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the page prints at the correct size. When using the PNG format files, you have more creative options. You can use these files with digital papers in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or Canva. I'm using Photoshop Elements. It's easy to use these templates. Simply add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. Using the PNG templates, you can add different papers to different sections of the template. Just make sure to place the papers on a layer underneath the template and then position them wherever you want. Once you're happy with the layout, save the file in JPEG format and print it out onto a piece of cardstock. Then cut the pieces out. To assemble the envelopes, make creases along the flaps on all sides. Fold the side flaps in, then apply glue to the sides of the bottom flap, fold it up and press in place. I've also included in this kit a printable one-page mini journal. To make the mini journal, first fold the page into 8 sections using a paper creasing tool. Once the paper is creased, fold it in half widthways and cut along the centre fold to the next fold. Fold the paper lengthways, then pinch the folded edges on both sides and push the paper so the centre section pops open. Then fold the outer sections over to form a booklet. To finish, I like to glue my pages together so that the pages don't flop open and it looks more like a mini journal. To assemble the pockets included in the Printable Junk Journal kit, crease along the tabs, then press with a bone folder. Insert some short lengths of ribbon through the holes in the tags. With these sewing-themed printables, you can add some machine or hand stitches to the elements and ephemera to coordinate with the theme. You can use the elements and ephemera included with this printable kit to make creative arrangements on your junk journal pages.